Innovations change every aspect of our world. They transform the way we communicate, share, interact, live, learn, and work. They even impact the health of people, animals, plants, and our environment. Innovations begin as ideas. Profound, groundbreaking, game-changing, those that revolutionize the world. Have you ever wondered where the ideas for innovations originate? Every day, thousands of new ideas and theories are being researched and tested in university labs. However, only a select few move from beyond the lab into the marketplace. That's where the UCF I-Corps program comes into play. UCF was selected as one of 15 universities throughout the country to deliver the I-Corps Site program. Sponsored by the National Science Foundation, NSF, I-Corps brings scientists and researchers outside of their laboratories to test and get real-world validation on assumptions about the commercial potential and impact of their ideas. The ultimate goal? Transform ideas into innovations that impact society. I-Corps is based on the business model canvas and other elements of Steve Blank's renowned Lean Launchpad class at Stanford University. Entrepreneurial teams consisting of academic researchers and aspiring entrepreneur students are matched with an industry mentor and provided the opportunity to immerse themselves in guidance, knowledge, and insights on business strategy from leading industry experts. In total, 96 entrepreneurial teams will be selected and will be provided up to $2,600 as a seed fund for prototype, marketing, or business development. Beginning in January 2015, a cohort of 8 entrepreneurial teams will participate in a hands-on 10-week program designed to help them test and validate the fundamental business concepts for a viable business, including customer discovery, value proposition, customer segment, distribution channels, customer relationship, revenue streams, resources, and key partners. By the end of the program, participants will have identified a business model, assessed the commercial value of their research idea, and will present it to the class. Post-workshop, UCF I-Corps teams desiring to continue down the path from idea to market are provided with business, technology, and management development support services from UCF. UCF I-Corps teams are also on a path to successfully receive further I-Corps funding and other federal funding. Do you have an invention? Would you like to explore its validity in the marketplace? If so, contact us. Innovate with I-Corps. We are now accepting applications from qualified entrepreneurial teams throughout the state of Florida. Apply today.